Welcome to this detailed tutorial on creating a glowing text animation within PowerPoint. In this walkthrough you will learn each clear and concise step to transform ordinary text into an eye-catching animated feature that will surely captivate your audience. First, launch PowerPoint on your computer by locating the application and opening it as you normally would. Once PowerPoint is running, navigate directly to the presentation where you intend to add your glowing text animation. This may involve selecting a recent file or browsing through your saved presentations. Taking a moment to locate the correct presentation helps ensure you begin with the right slide and content in mind. With the presentation open, find the specific text that you want to modify. Click on this text element to ensure it is selected. The idea at this stage is to prepare the text for a glow effect, making it stand out on your slide. After you have highlighted the desired text, direct your attention to the menu options and locate the tab related to shapes and text formatting options. Within the PowerPoint interface, navigate to the Shape Format tab. This tab holds many of the formatting tools that allow you to add various effects to your text and shapes. Once you are in the Shape Format area, look for the option labeled Text Effects. Selecting this option opens up a variety of styling possibilities that extend beyond basic text formatting. After clicking on Text Effects, a menu of styling options will appear. From this menu, choose the Glow option. This selection allows you to introduce a soft and radiant aura around your text that gives it a striking appearance. Once the Glow option is activated, you will be presented with several different glow effects to choose from. Each available glow effect offers a distinct style and intensity, so take your time to review these options carefully. Choose the glow effect that best suits the overall design and tone of your presentation. After you have finalized the glow effect, it is time to add an engaging animation that will further enhance your text once it appears on the slide. To do this, switch your focus to the Animation tab within PowerPoint. The Animation tab is your gateway to a wide range of dynamic transitions and effects that can bring your presentation to life. Within the Animation tab, locate the drop-down menu that contains the list of animation options. Clicking this drop-down displays a number of animated effects that you can apply to your text. From the list provided, select the underline animation. This particular animation creates an effect that appears to underline your text, adding an extra layer of visual emphasis that complements the glow effect. Following these steps results in a seamless integration of a glowing text animation in your PowerPoint presentation. By combining the soft radiance of the glow with the dynamic underline animation, you create a visually compelling element that commands attention. This technique not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your slides, but also reinforces the key messages you want to convey. We hope that this comprehensive guide has been helpful in showing you how to bring a unique and vibrant dynamic to your text in PowerPoint. Enjoy experimenting with the effects and animations as you craft presentations that truly stand out.